Morning. So got the machines offloaded here. We're gonna wait to set the tent and the flags up till morning. Uncertainty on a little bit of the weather this evening, but here we are, booth 21, where we always are here, next to the Wolf Ridge boys, at the Northstar Expo here. So here we got the Timberwolf version of the semi-pro. Essentially the same thing as a semi-pro. 26-inch stroke, 4-inch cylinder, fast split auto cycle, log lift, hydraulic up and down, quick change wedge. This one does have the Honda electric start standard also, GX390. This is a beast. I have this one here. Then we got a Timberwolf TW2. This one is a pull start, GX270 Honda. Fast split, but the standard split valve. And then we got the new Brute Force / Timberwolf Homesteader. This is the prototype model here. This is an animal for the price point. You're under $28,000 for this machine with the conveyor. It's super fast. This model is, on the production ones, is going to feature torsion bar suspension, lights, our lube minder oiler system, optional 12-foot belt conveyor. You can run a 4 and a 6 on this model. This is also a 26-inch stroke, 404 processor bar and chain with easy change and adjust. We got our front and rear rollers, weighted top clamp. Like I said, there's our lube minder, piston saw motor, in tube tank. This thing we ran 6 cord through it a week ago in Escanaba, and it didn't even get over 65 degrees. So plenty of cooling. Awesome 7-gallon tank. GX700 EFI Honda on this model, electric start. Heavy duty chain in feed. The conveyor winch, this was a prototype. This winch is actually going to be mounted down here. We're going to move this tank into here. We'll have a sight gauge built into there so you can see it from the operator side. And the winch mount's going to be here, so it's lower down easy. And then there's going to be kind of like the foreign conveyors out there. We're gonna have a pulley set up here, so the cable's gonna come through here and then go underneath. This way was just a quick way to get the prototype out here so we can get cutting wood with it. So that'll get the cable out of the way underneath. But yeah, this machine will rip through 1.5 cords an hour pretty darn easily. So and then we got our bundler and we got a grapple down there at the end. The show starts tomorrow. Show gate opens 9 a.m. and then Saturday it also opens 9 a.m. There's a pancake breakfast on Saturday, starts at 7. Come on down, check us out, come down, say hi. Other than that, you guys have a good day.